Hi, we're here at Best Plants with Jeff Miller of Siemens PLM software, and I think everybody knows Siemens, but not necessarily PLM software. So Jeff, tell me a little bit about your operation and what you're offering.
Sure, yeah. So Siemens Product Lifecycle Management Software is a division or a business unit of the Siemens Industry Automation group. So yeah, everybody kind of knows Siemens as a whole, right? It's kind of hard not to know us, a very large global presence. The Product Lifecycle Management Group was actually originally a separate company, UGS, Unigraphic Solutions, and we were acquired by Siemens, about 4 years ago now. So we handle all of the software side of things in terms of product lifecycle management. So everything from sort of the birth of products, from the conceptual phases through design, all the way into manufacturing, and then even all the way out to the end of life of product, and where does the product need to go after it's finished its useful life expectancy, if you will. So, yeah.
Well, tell us a little bit about the offering you've got in this area and how it can help manufacturers.
Yeah, so at Best Plants here, what we're showcasing here this year is our Technomatics brand, which is our digital manufacturing software brand. This is really all about helping people to understand how their manufacturing operations are going to work virtually, right? So before they've bolted anything to the ground, we can bring in all of their product geometries and whatnot because of all of the CAD environments that we work with. Once we have those geometries, we can then figure out what's the best way to assemble the products from a final assembly perspective, sub-assembly perspective, and then look at the manufacturing systems that are going to be required to put those products together. And I guess the most important part about all of that, right, is that we can do all of this within a virtual environment and help the customer to really understand, are those manufacturing systems going to operate at peak efficiency and deliver the throughput requirements that they're looking for, and are there any things like bottlenecks or whatnot, and discover all the problems in advance virtually while you're still in the computer before you've bolted anything to the ground, right, before money's been spent. So that's really our big highlight here this year. Focusing primarily on what we call our plant design and optimization solution this year, focusing centrally around the layout of the facilities and then how material is going to flow through the facility, and then more importantly, the throughput of the facility itself. So.
Well, thanks, Jeff. Appreciate it.
You bet. Thanks.